Hello friend, welcome to Entry. My name is Akash Shukla, your educator at Entry app. So guys, after IDBI executive IDBI, we have another good news from IDBI Bank. And guys, because IDBI has released notification for assistant manager post. Guys, you can see here IDBI Bank PGDBF 2021-2022. So like guys, let us discuss what is there in the official notification. We'll be discussing this notification in the complete detailed manner ki what are the number of vacancies, from where to apply and how to apply, and what is the date to apply, what will be the selection process, all this stuff, eligibility criteria, all this stuff will be discussing in this video. So guys, let us discuss ki what is there in this video or what is there in this notification. So guys, check here कि southern and western zones are there. These are the zones for which the exam will be conducted or for which the vacancies are there. Bengaluru, Chennai, Hyderabad, Mumbai, Nagpur, Pune, Hyderabad, Ahmedabad. In the same way guys, northern and eastern zones we have Bhopal, Chandigarh, Kolkata, Bhubaneswar, Delhi, Lucknow, Patna. And guys, now let us check what are the number of vacancies guys. Number of vacancies guys for a graduate from a recognized university with minimum 60% marks. So these are the essential qualification guys. So minimum 60% marks and 50% for SC, ST or PWD candidate. For if we talk about the age criteria guys, minimum 21 and maximum 28. Yeah, age relaxation for other category except general is provided. So we'll discuss also that. Date of online test tentative. So guys, 4th August 2020, 4th September 2021 is the examination date. Less than 1 month you have. Number of seats 650. Unreserved 265, SC 97, ST 48, EWS 65, OBC 17. And for the PWD guys, these are the number of vacancy you can check. And guys, now let us see what is the eligibility criteria. All your eligibility criteria, whether it is qualification, your age, that will be counted from July 1st 2021 guys. Okay, and guys, let us check what is the age required as on July 1st. So guys, obviously SC ST age relaxation is given 5 years, and other backward classes OBC 3 years, person with disabilities 10 years, or ex-servicemen and all these stuff guys, you know that 5 years relaxation is given. Okay, now guys, let us check what is there in the notification. Yeah, this is the fee same as IDBI executive, 200 for SC ST PWD, 1000 for all other candidates. How to apply guys, how you can apply for this guys? Application, registration and payment of fees guys, candidate can apply online only 10th August. आज से अप्लाई करना शुरू कर सकते हैं और 22 अगस्त तक आप अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. एंड देयर नो अदर मोड और एप्लीकेशन विल बी एक्सेप्टेड, ओनली ऑनलाइन एप्लीकेशन, ओनली ऑनलाइन एप्लीकेशन विल बी एक्सेप्टेड guys. Okay, and guys, let us check what is there in the notification. Yes, so this is the hand declaration guys. Please check the hand declaration carefully. And application fee, yeah, so this is the application fee for SC ST and PWD category. This is 200, and for general category or unreserved it is 1000 guys. Okay, and guys, what will be the age criteria. Age criteria will be calculated from 10 to 12th standard mark sheet guys. Okay, education qualification, I have already told you कि भाई you must be graduate at least from a recognized university. All semester wise individual, year wise individual mark sheet you must have. All mark sheet pertaining to improvement in the marks, that is if the candidates has made more than one attempt to obtain pass or improve marks of any subject in any of the semester or years, so that they can know कि you have taken 1 year or more than 1 year to pass a particular class or particular semester. High school 10th and intermediate 12th class mark sheet and passing certificates you must have. And guys, here you can check caste certificate you must have. Important dates, let us see कि opening and closing of the payment gateway guys आज से शुरू हो गया and by 22 अगस्त तक ये चलेगा. Opening and closing of the gateway guys for the online application submission 10th अगस्त से 22 अगस्त. Date of online test 4 September 2021. The another important thing, what is the selection process guys? For the selection process you need to check this one कि selection process comprises of online test that will be followed by an interview guys. Interview, personal interview who have qualified in the online test. So your selection process will be based on the online test and that will be followed by the interview. The online test comprises 4 sections guys. logical reasoning, data analysis and interpretation, from which you will have 60 questions for 60 marks. English language 40 question for the 40 marks. Composite time is given as 2 hours guys. Quantitative aptitude 40 question 40 marks. General economy and banking awareness 60 question for the 60 marks. So guys, in this way 4 plus 4 is 8 and 60 plus 60 is 120. So 200 will be the marks and 200 will be the questions. Composite time is for 2 hours guys. Okay. Penalty for wrong answer obviously will be there. 0.25 mark will be deducted. Let us see what is there in the notification ahead. So guys, in the notification it is also given one line. I will also want to discuss with you. This is what guys, program fees. The program fee for this course will be 3,50,000. So guys, who will pay this? So guys, if you will get selected, then bank will provide you loan. Okay, bank will provide you, let me write here, bank will provide you loan for this amount. Okay, so this is the amount that you have to pay plus GST for 1 year program fee, and after that guys, you will be permanent as an assistant manager. So guys, this 3,50,000 fee as a education loan bank will provide you. Don't worry about that. Students are asking ki sir, what is about that? Okay, so this is what I want to discuss you here. It is also given that financial and loan option is always available. Selected candidates can finance the course fee by availing education loan policy if they so desire, which will be granted by IDBI bank. So on this IDBI bank will provide you the loan only guys. Okay, so don't worry about that. Prevailing education loan scheme of IDBI bank. Okay, and guys, let us see what is there in the notification further. Yeah, so these all are the things that you should know guys, that you should know why, before applying the notification, or what is there in the notification. These are the guys state and examination center you will have. You can check here and you can have the screenshot as well. Okay guys, so guys, this is what I want to discuss with you. Very good news, assistant manager IDBI we got. IDBI has come up with the action, because we saw in the previous time ki IDBI has got a bit profit. So yeah, it has come with a very good profit. So definitely IDBI bank had to release a notification. We had IDBI executive and now IDBI assistant manager as well. Okay guys, I was taking the live class for the gold batch students. I just came to know that IDBI has announced IDBI notification guys. So I am now I am come up with the notification guys. So here you can check. So guys, let's talk about the stipend. Salary is the first and foremost criteria you must know. Stipend guys, during the training period for the 9 months you will have 2,500 per month, and during the internship period, that is of 3 months, you will be getting 10,000 per month. After joining the bank services as an assistant manager grade A on successful completion of the course, the extent basic applicable to assistant manager is guys in grade A is 36,000 per month. So guys, you will be getting 36,000 per month in the pay scale of this and this guys. The pay scale, allowances, reimbursement, prerequisite and other terms subsisting at the time of the joining as may be modified, amended. So yeah guys, allowances are also there, so don't worry about that. A very good handsome salary you will be getting. 36,000 is the basic pay plus allowances you will be getting also guys. So this is Akash Chukla signing off, and good luck for the exam guys. Please apply for the for this post. This is a very good post guys. Actually, I have to say this is a far better than the IDBI executive. This is the assistant manager grade A post. So everybody want to be the assistant manager grade A guys. So this is what you wanted to have guys. So this is Akash Chukla signing off, and good luck for the exam guys. Thank you very much.